It took me years to realize that there is a different colored Big Bird in every country. I was scrolling through the internet when I noticed that Big Bird is different. They have done this to promote diversity and inclusion into Sesame Street. Green Big Bird represents Mexico. Dark blue Big Bird represents Brazil. Orange Big Bird represents Portugal. Light blue Big Bird represent Netherlands. Finally, can't forget. Yellow Bird represents America, Canada, and the United Kingdom.